boil the pandan leaves and then blend them and then squeeze out the extract. Fry it a little bit to give a little bit of char, a little bit of colouring and a little bit of caramelization of the soy sauce.
Roasting down now. So we can concentrate the flavours, especially in the heads of the prawn.
Just go around the edge of your leche flan.
Hi, I'm Budgie Montoya.
Hi everyone, my name is Rex.
Hi there, I'm Mark.
I'm Gene Gonzalez.
Adobos down in Mindanao, the southern island, they sometimes use star anise.
And you can be as creative as you like with it. The toppings are open to interpretation.
Chilies, specifically bird's-eye chilies, which are quite common in the Philippines.
Yeah, be inspired by your own larder.
Play around with it, get creative.
You talk it through what you're thinking about, what you might want to try to do, share those ideas with me, share those ideas with each other,